Hello, good afternoon. My name is Joanne and I'm going to give you a short information about the English for engineering purpose. This is about the most used engineering terms that are sometimes confusing. Understanding and knowing these common and difficult jargons used in engineering can help you communicate well with your architect, engineer, construction manager more effectively. The first word we're going to discuss is the word beam. Beam is a structural member usually horizontal with the main function is to carry loads crossway to its longitudinal axis. Using beam in the sentence, the beam of the house is too strong that it cannot be destroyed easily. Then, another word is the electrocardiograph. Electrocardiograph, it is a device that records heart electrical signal. In using electrocardiograph in a sentence, the patient is advised to have an electrocardiograph to see if his heart functions well. And another word is the exoskeleton. Exoskeleton is a rigid external covering of the body in some vertebrate animals, especially arthropods, providing both support and protection. In using exoskeleton in a sentence, the boy's leg was amputated and replaced by an exoskeleton. Then, microarray. Microarray is a very small device which integrates thousands of genetic biological materials such as DNA. Example of microarray in the sentence: the specimen that was collected as sample was examined by a microarray. Then, another word is microprocessor. Microprocessor is the circuit that can be the brain of the machine, although such power may be smaller than a matchhead. In using microprocessor in a sentence, the microprocessor of the computer was damaged, resulting to the loss of its memory. Then, another word is the damping. Damping is the rate of decay of floor amplitude or floor vibrations. Using damping in the sentence, the floor of the building needs damping for elevation. Then, the word keep. Keep means 1,000 pounds. Using keep in the sentence, the load weighs a keep. Live load. A live load is a non-permanent load on a structure created by a use of the structure. In using live load in the sentence, the live load will be removed after the structure is done. Then, moment. The moment is a tendency of a force to cause rotation about a point of axis, which in turn produces bending stresses. Using moment in the sentence, the chemists wait a moment until the chemical reacts to the process. Then, pitch. Pitch is a slope of a member defined as the ratio of the total rise to the total width. Using pitch in the sentence, the pitch of the fall is too long. Then, reaction. Reaction is the force or moment developed at the points of the support. Using reaction in the sentence, the reaction of the chemical to the experiment is incredible. Span. Span is the distance between support. Using span in the sentence, the span of the next delivery is almost 2 weeks. Those are the engineering words. It is important to know those words, for it gives idea about its uses. Then it will give you better understanding and communication with the engineers. Thank you for listening and watching.